Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of the Easy Dishes. I'm going to make a Lebanese Taboulah salad. Let's start. My ingredients are 2 bunches of parsley, a handful of fresh mint, 1 small red onion, a 1/4 cup of crushed wheat, and you can find that in Arabic stores or Mediterranean stores. It's called bulgar. I have 1 lemon that I will use as a juice of 1 lime, 1 tomato, and I'm going to grate 1 lime. Spices are salt, pepper, and olive oil. I will start by adding water on the bulgar just to cover it, and I will leave it to absorb all the water and be soft for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to start chopping all the vegetables. I'll start with the parsley. It has to be finely chopped. I'm going now to finely chop the mint. Now they are ready to be transferred into the bowl. Very green, fresh, and they smell amazing. Next, I'm going to chop the onion. I'll cut it into slices first, because I want also to finely chop it. Same with the tomatoes. Now the onions are ready, finely chopped. Now I'm going to slice the tomato and of course remove this part and then cut them into small squares. Now it's ready. I will transfer it into the bowl. Now the bulgur is ready. It absorbed all the water. I'm going to add it into the bowl. Give it a mix. Everything is colorful, nice. Now I will grate lime. This is a trick that my Lebanese friend told me about. Gives it a very lemony taste, and that's how the Lebanese people like it. Then I'm going to add some salt, pepper, juice of 1 lime, then drizzle some olive oil on top, like 3 tablespoons. Combine everything together, and now it's ready to be served. Here is my salad ready to be served. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.